Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to be fixing this error on screen right here. So the process is very simple. Let's get straight into it. So in your browser you're going to go to this link. Okay, so this link will be given in the description. Just click on it and you should be landed on this page. Okay, and then just click on download for Windows. Okay, and let it download. As you can see here, it's tested free from spyware, adware, and viruses, so it's a very safe link and there's no issues on downloading it. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you're just gonna click on the exe, then click on yes for the administrator access. Let it do its thing, extracting the installation files. Okay, so yeah, you can leave this checked, then next. Okay, here in this screen, okay, it will say recommended to install updates automatically. We are not going to do that. Okay, we are going to go to manually check for installed updates. Okay, and then just click on install. Okay, let it do its thing. Okay, so just click on finish, and now I would recommend to restart your PC, and then you're going to try to open the file again and to see whether the error still persists. It should not, it should be fixed. So that's all for this video guys, and yeah, thanks for watching folks.